Hello students. An important problem in calculus is computing the area under a curve of a function. And in this problem we're going to estimate the area under a curve of this function f of x equals 4 over x. Here's the curve. And we're going to estimate the area under this curve using 4 rectangles over the interval from 1 to 5, and we're going to use left endpoints. And since we're using left endpoints, that is this point here, this point here, this point here, and this point here, and we stop because we're only going from 1 to 4. And you can see that if I plug in 1 into the function, that'll give me this point here on the curve, and that'll give me the height. So 1, if I plug in 1, that'll give me the height of the rectangle, and the width is simply 1. So to compute the area of this rectangle, I'm going to simply plug in 1, and then to get the height, I plug in f of 1. Then I add the area of this rectangle, and the width here still is 1, and to get the height, we plug in f of 2, that is this height here. And then, similarly, I plug in 1 for the width of this next rectangle, this area, and its height is given by f of 3, plus the area of this rectangle, its height is given by, its width is given by 1, and its height is given by f of 4. And so now I have the area of these 4 rectangles, so let's plug in 1 into this function here. And since I'm multiplying by 1, 1 times f of 1 is simply f of 1. So I'm just going to write it as 4 over 1 plus 4 over 2 plus 4 over 3 plus 4 over 4. And that is because f of 1 is simply 4 over 1. That comes from this function here. F of 2 is simply 4 over 2. That's 4 over 2. F of 3 is 4 over 3, and that's 4 over 3 here. And f of 4 is 4 over 4. And once again, multiplying by 1 just gives me back 4 over 1, 4 over 2, 4 over 3, and 4 over 4. All right, let's now simplify this, and we simplify this expression here. And when we do, we will get the area of these 4 rectangles over here. So I have 4 plus 2 plus 4/3 plus 1, and 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So I have 7 plus 4/3. And then we just have to do some simple arithmetic, fraction arithmetic. And so 7 is 21 over 3 plus 4/3, and we get 25 over 3. And that is the estimate for the area under the curve given by these 4 rectangles. In another video, we'll do this problem again, but instead of using left endpoints, we will use right endpoints. Good luck.